Turn on the printer. On the printer's touchscreen, tap Gear Settings Network WLAN, Wi-Fi, Setup Wizard. When WLAN Enable appears, tap Yes. The printer will now search for Wi-Fi networks. Select your home Wi-Fi network, SSID, from the list. Enter your Wi-Fi password using the touch. Use the arrows and OK to type. When it says Apply Settings, tap Yes. Wait 30 to 60 seconds. When it shows connected, you are done with the printer side. Connect the Brother iPrint&Scan app to the printer. Now, with both your phone and printer on the same Wi-Fi network, set up the app. On your iOS, iPhone, iPad, or Android device, go to the official App Store, or Google Play Store. Search for Brother iPrint&Scan. Download and install the free app from Brother Industries Limited. Launch the app and grant permissions. It will ask for permissions to access your local network and, for scanning, your photos files. Tap Allow or OK for these requests. This is crucial for the app to find the printer. Add your printer, automatic search recommended. The app's main screen usually has a plus sign or an Add Printer option. Tap it. The app will automatically search for Brother printers on the network. It should find your DCP-L3551CDW along with its IP address. Select it. The app will register the printer, and it will now appear on the app's home screen. You are ready. You can now tap on your printer icon within the app to print photos, documents, web pages, or files from cloud storage. Scan documents by starting the scan job from your phone, which tells the printer to scan and send the file back to your phone.